Luxury technology has long been associated with innovation, prestige, and premium craftsmanship. High-end gadgets often represent the latest in design, performance, and exclusivity. But as environmental concerns continue to grow, the meaning of luxury is beginning to evolve. Today's consumers are asking more from the brands they support. They want products that not only perform well, but also reflect responsible manufacturing practices and environmental awareness. This presentation explores how luxury tech brands are embracing sustainability, changing the way premium electronics are designed, produced, used, and recycled. Luxury and sustainability were once viewed as separate ideas. Luxury focused on exclusivity and indulgence, while sustainability centered on conservation and environmental responsibility. However, modern technology brands are proving that these concepts can coexist. Premium companies are increasingly blending high-quality craftsmanship with eco-conscious design strategies. Consumers now expect luxury products to represent not only status and performance, but also values such as responsibility, transparency, and long-term thinking. As environmental awareness increases, sustainability is becoming an important feature in the luxury technology market. Consumer behavior has changed significantly over the past decade. Today's buyers are more informed, more connected, and more aware of environmental issues than previous generations. Luxury consumers often research how products are manufactured, where materials come from, and how brands address sustainability. Millennials and Gen Z buyers are especially interested in purchasing products that align with their values. For many affluent consumers, quality and design are no longer enough. Environmental responsibility has become part of the decision-making process. This shift has encouraged luxury technology companies to rethink their strategies and respond to changing expectations. Sustainable design begins long before a product reaches store shelves. Luxury technology companies are increasingly designing products with environmental impact in mind. This includes improving durability, selecting better materials, and considering how products will be repaired, reused, or recycled. High-end brands are working to maintain elegant aesthetics while reducing waste and resource consumption. Design choices influence a product's entire life cycle, from manufacturing to disposal. When sustainability becomes part of design planning, products can deliver both premium quality and environmental benefits. One of the most visible sustainability efforts in luxury technology involves material selection. Brands are exploring alternatives to traditional plastics and resource-heavy components. Recycled aluminum, responsibly sourced metals, and plant-based materials are increasingly used in premium products. These alternatives reduce dependence on mining and lower the environmental impact of manufacturing. Packaging is also changing. Many luxury brands are moving toward recycled fibers, reduced plastic use, and simplified packaging designs. These material choices send a message to consumers that environmental responsibility matters throughout the product experience. The traditional technology model often follows a linear path: produce, purchase, use, and discard. Luxury tech brands are beginning to move away from this approach by embracing circular economy principles. Circularity focuses on extending product life, reducing waste, and keeping materials in use for as long as possible. Instead of designing products for quick replacement, some brands are building devices meant to last longer. Repairability, upgrades, and reuse all play important roles in circular design. By extending product life, companies reduce waste while creating stronger long-term value for customers. Refurbishment programs are becoming an important sustainability strategy. Luxury technology products are often built with high-quality materials and durable construction, making them ideal for reuse. Trade-in programs allow customers to return older devices in exchange for credit. Returned products can be repaired, refurbished, and resold. This process extends product lifespan and reduces unnecessary waste. Refurbishment also gives consumers access to premium technology at lower costs while reducing environmental impact. Product longevity supports the idea that luxury items should remain valuable for years rather than being quickly discarded. Sustainability extends beyond the finished product. Luxury technology brands are paying closer attention to how materials are sourced and where manufacturing takes place. Ethical supply chains focus on transparency, responsible labor practices, and environmentally conscious sourcing. Companies increasingly want to avoid association with unethical mining practices, unsafe labor conditions, or environmentally harmful suppliers. Traceable supply chains help ensure that products meet higher ethical standards. Consumers are more likely to trust brands that openly communicate how their products are made. Technology itself is helping improve sustainability tracking. Luxury brands are exploring tools that allow them to monitor the movement of materials through the supply chain. Blockchain technology is one example being explored to verify sourcing practices. Secure digital records can help companies confirm where materials originated and how they moved through manufacturing. This transparency strengthens consumer trust while helping brands support sustainability claims. Verified sourcing also creates accountability across suppliers and manufacturers. For luxury brands, transparency becomes another way to differentiate products from competitors. Luxury technology companies are also addressing sustainability within their operations. Factories, data centers, and office buildings require large amounts of energy. Many brands are investing in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and cleaner electricity systems. Carbon reduction goals are becoming increasingly common. Some companies have pledged to lower emissions throughout their operations and supply chains. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions demonstrates a commitment that goes beyond product design. These investments help create more sustainable operations while improving long-term environmental performance. Sustainability matters because consumers increasingly expect businesses to act responsibly. Luxury technology brands have influence within the market and often set trends that other industries follow. When premium brands adopt sustainable practices, they can encourage wider changes across manufacturing and design. Responsible production helps reduce waste, conserve resources, and lower environmental impact. Sustainability also strengthens trust between companies and consumers. Products become more meaningful when they represent not only quality, but also ethical responsibility. As awareness grows, sustainability may become just as important as performance and appearance. Even the most sustainable products eventually reach the end of their useful life. This is where licensed recyclers play an important role. Licensed recyclers help ensure electronics are processed responsibly and materials are recovered safely. Proper recycling prevents hazardous substances from entering landfills and protects communities from contamination. Recovered materials such as metals and plastics can be reused in future manufacturing. Recycling supports circular economy efforts by keeping resources in use rather than wasting them. Responsible end-of-life management completes the sustainability journey of technology products. The future of luxury technology is increasingly connected to sustainability. Consumers are placing more importance on transparency, ethics, durability, and environmental responsibility. Brands that invest in sustainable innovation are helping redefine what premium technology means. Future products may feature longer lifespans, improved repairability, and more environmentally conscious materials. Luxury and sustainability are no longer competing ideas. They are becoming part of the same vision for responsible innovation. As technology evolves, the most desirable products may be those that balance performance, beauty, and environmental care. Thank you for exploring how luxury tech brands are addressing sustainability. Environmental responsibility is becoming a defining feature of premium technology. Thoughtful design, ethical sourcing, renewable energy, and responsible recycling all contribute to a greener future. If your organization is looking for guidance on electronics recycling and sustainability solutions, we encourage you to connect with us. Reach us by phone, email, or our website. Luxury innovation becomes truly valuable when it supports a more sustainable future. Responsible technology decisions today help create a cleaner tomorrow.